we always try to really understand what is the client situation, what's their problem, what's their team situation, so that we know what type of skills and what type of roles we need on that engagement. After we get that sorted out, we spend time with the professional managers to find the right talent across the globe. I worked with teams from everywhere joining in at client side to solve their problems.
Every team is different. Most teams will have data scientists, data engineers, and then we'll also have what we call integrative consultants, which are just, regular McKinsey consultants who help us do what we call translating. So they often will collect information from business users on their pain points and help us figure out how we can build a solution to address those pain points. So almost every team has all three of those components. And then, of course, we also have what we call an engagement manager, which is like a team leader.
So when assembling a team, what I always try to do is to bring great people, right, with great skills and great knowledge, but also people are very good about communicating with each other, have ownership about the problem, are humble, and they really want to learn and want to push themselves to bring their best to the project. And I also think about diversity, right? Having different perspectives in a team. I don't want the team to be everybody thinking in the same way, because that's the best way to miss to miss what we're trying to do, right? So diversity is very, very important to me as well.
I've always enjoyed doing the coding, the technology work, being given a chunk of a problem that's very complicated, that requires mathematics, algorithms to solve. And I think there's a lot of value in that, and there's a lot of value in people who specialize in doing that. One thing that Quantum Black gives me that I don't find elsewhere is the ability to do that, but expand out to owning and managing an entire project, right? You're not just writing the algorithm. You're interfacing with an entire strategy team and an entire cross-functional team to find the best solution to a problem. And that problem does include technology. And when it includes technology, we are the specialists. We're the ones that they bring in. But really, what's exciting about it is you're tackling an entire problem end to end. You're not just writing a single snippet of code and maintaining one API, one function. You're owning the entire end-to-end thing. And you have the responsibility then of making sure that it runs, it's valuable, and it's usable by the client at the end of the day. And I find that really exciting.